Assalamualaikum class, this is your course instructor Vardha Rizvi, and I am teaching in this semester to all of you English 2. We haven't met much earlier due to COVID-19, and then I couldn't take your classes in your actual classroom, so I am teaching you here online. I hope you will find this video helpful for you, but if you don't understand anything or if you have any question, you can ask me. The topic that I have selected for you all today is letter writing. What is letter? Letter is a sort of information or a way of communication. It is indirect communication that you do with other people. Now letters are replaced by SMS or WhatsApp, or there are different other platform that you use to communicate with the people who are at distance from you, that you don't meet them normally. So this is letter writing. Okay, letter writing is further divided into two types. One is formal letter and the other is informal letter. Formal letter is a letter that you write purposefully to your seniors, or or officially you write to the heads. Okay, so or especially to address a serious job. These are like you write a letter to your principal, you write a letter to head of department, HOD, or you write a letter to minister or any like editors, or business letters. Especially in your course we'll further discuss business letters as well. So formal letters further divided into few types: letter to editor, government employee, government sectors, police sectors, police employee, the people who are in police or authorities, principal, head of department, the letter that are issued for someone's order, or complaint letter that you have some like municipal committee for sewerage. So these officials letters are used to be called as a formal letter that you write with an order. I'll further teach you how to write a formal letter, and then I'll assign you to write a letter in return, right? Okay, so the next is informal letter. Now informal is something that you casually do with your fellows or friends, or the person you're frank with. So a letter written for an informal purpose is called an informal letter. It is written for a casual, like a father writes a letter to son and son replies him back. So it is a casual. You write a letter to your friend to invite her to go to market to do shopping with you. So these letters are casual letters. They are letters to parent, letter to sibling, right, or letter to friends, or letters to old colleagues. So there are different types of informal letter. Okay, now how to write a formal letter? First, formal letter is on the top right. Okay, so the top right side you have to write your full name, your job title if you have. Okay, you have to write the details that you have. Usually we write full name, full address, or date, right? Now how to write date? You can't say 2.3.2020. No, you have to write, for let's suppose it's October, so October 3rd 2018. If you write a letter today, you will write June 4 2020. If you have email address you can use, but if try not to use it. Now if you use email address, it must be with your name or your status or your designation. Don't it shouldn't be like I have given example, Big Jeza, Manu, or we have Princess Maria, or what kind of usually Rocky handsome, or blah blah blah. Don't use such type of email addresses. Use the email address that have such funny clumsy names. Okay, and then phone number. Okay, the detail of letter writing I am sharing you is a standard one, but for academic we only focus on name, city and date only. Okay, but I want you to know these things as well. So and then at the at the same side, at the different side, I mean if you write right side earlier, then go to the left side and write the detail to who you are writing a letter, his full name, his title, his company, organization, his address, and then start with the introductory line. This part we will only focus in when you are writing editor, for example. So just focus on name or city or date. If you want to add designation, name, designation, city and date only. Don't do much more things. Okay, and then start writing with dear. Okay, try to use the name, full name. Don't if you don't want to write dear, you can start with Mr. so and so, Miss so and so. Okay, so here is the sample writing. So this is the sample for formal letters. You see the formal letter sample. This is how you have to write. The first 3 lines on right side, write name, address, city, yes, and then date. And the left 3 lines, the person who you are writing a letter, name, address and city, and then reception name to who you are writing a letter, your opening paragraph, your main body, your closing statement, and then you sign off with your name. Okay, now how to write in formal letter? It is very simple. On your left side, just write your name, city, and then date, and then address the person who you are writing letter. Here I have given you few example. I have taken from internet. You can also take it from there, and you can write it there. Hello, how are you? So you see how the thing is constructed. So that's all for today's lecture. Now practice writing formal letters. In opening paragraph, you can start with an issue in formal letter. Here you can start with, for example, if you are writing a letter to editor and you want him to talk about some certain issues like COVID-19, this coronavirus, and you want him in his newspaper, you want him to tell others how to keep themselves safe. So you can start writing, or you can tell him that in partial lockdown situation people are roaming around, and this has increased the danger of coronavirus. So you can start with opening paragraph that in partial lockdown people are not using safety measures, or people are not taking safety measures. ठीक है, इसमें first of all you have to write your name and your address and then date, and then on the left side editor. ठीक है, and then after editor go to the news. For example, you are writing it to Dawn newspaper, editor to editor, Dawn newspaper, date, and in reception name Mr. and the name of for example the name of editor is Mr. Khalil. So you can write Mr. Khalil. It is to bring your attention regarding the worst situation of lockdown here in DG Khan city, where people are not taking safety measures. And then go to the main body. Through your newspaper, I want to address the issue of carelessness or careless behavior of people regarding taking safety measures during partial lockdown. And then start discussing what you want people to know, and then you can start telling them that coronavirus is not a simple disease, or it's not something that can end in a single day. We are this in this era, we are unaware of how long it will take to end, or how long it will take to discover its medicines, or to invent something to control this pandemic. So advise the people that they should take safety measures when they are moving in markets or in streets, or they are doing their jobs. And then in closing statements, that you are very hopeful people will pay attention to it and then sign off with your name. So this is how you have to write. If it is not clear, you can ask me anytime. I am available. You can ask in comments that this is not clear to you and you want me to make it clear, or if any point is not clear and you want me to teach you again, you can also ask me. If I am less audible, you can't listen to me clearly, you can also ask me. You can use this platform online learning, and I'll teach you. If anything is still you believe is missing, tomorrow you can ask me. Today take time to read the stuff. I have also attached the stuff along with it so that you can read it, and tomorrow we can discuss on it. If you have any question, you can post there. Thirdly, I'll